Hello guys, actually those thoughts of like educating with the Mac users, like the Apple laptop and the desktop, which is called the iMac. I just want to educate us about using a regular keyboard, like a Windows keyboard, for some operations on our various computers and laptops. Yeah, you know, in this case now, in our MacBook we have the control key. This is the control key. We have that in our MacBook, but you notice after the control key on the MacBook keyboard, if you have a MacBook keyboard, you check it out. On after the control key, we have the command key. So this Windows button could be used for the command key, while this ALT is used for the option. So now let's just think of in a case that reset, you want to like reset your PRAM. You know what I mean by PRAM? When you want to reset your computer, maybe it's kind of like hanging while it's trying to boot in. You know, we use the command option, RP or PR. It depends. This is how you reboot it. So all you have to do here is what? Press your Windows key, ALT, RP. When you press them together, it will work and serve as the same way. Now imagine load you want to like reload your OS on your MacBook or your iMac. You use your option keys. Your ALT here serve as your option key. This is the option key here. But if you want to enter the recovery mode, or we use the command plus R. So you just use the Windows plus R here. So these are basic things that it doesn't really matter for you. It doesn't really matter if you get the MacBook keyboard, or but once you have this regular keyboard, it's actually cool. Now some cases where I want to press Command E to go to computer or I use Command E to enter the computer on when maybe I have a Windows OS loaded on my computer. I use the Command E button to enter to the computer. That's the shortcut key. So instead of Command E using this kind of keyboard, you can use the Windows E. It's also the same thing basically on MacBooks. So that's just the simple logic. And this keyboard is just a regular Windows keyboard. So you could use a Windows keyboard, so it doesn't really matter you get a new keyboard, but as it is now, you can use this. Thank you guys.